Welcome to Legal Services of New Jersey's Legal Rights Series, Expunging a Criminal Record in New Jersey. This video will tell you how to get a copy of your criminal records. It is the third in a series of videos created to help you expunge your criminal record. First, you will need to collect your records. If you had an attorney when you were arrested and charged, it might be easier to get this information from him or her. If not, you will have to get the information yourself. For an indictable or criminal conviction or arrest, contact the Criminal Case Management Office in the county where the conviction or arrest occurred. Be sure to bring personal identification in the form of a driver's license or birth certificate. You may also contact the county prosecutor, explain that you are interested in expunging your record, and ask if you can look at your file. If you have a disorderly persons arrest, you may find the information you need by contacting the clerk of the municipal court in which you are prosecuted, or the police department involved in your arrest. If you have a juvenile record, you will need to contact the family court for a printout of all your juvenile matters. If you cannot get all the information you need, you will have to request a copy of your criminal record from the New Jersey State Police by following these steps. First, schedule an appointment to be fingerprinted. The link is available on the New Jersey State Police website, or you can access it directly at this link. If you don't have access to the internet, call IDEMIA, the company that does the fingerprinting, at 1-877-503-5981 to make your appointment. Use the code 2F1BJG. Spanish-speaking operators are available upon request. The current fee for fingerprinting is $42.80. You may pay by credit card, prepaid debit card, or electronic check. Payment will be collected at the fingerprint site on the day of your scheduled appointment. To avoid being charged, you must cancel by 5 p.m. on the business day prior to your scheduled appointment. It is very important that you bring proper identification to your appointment. Your ID must be issued by a federal, state, county, or municipal body for identification purposes. It must include your photograph, name, home address, and date of birth. Acceptable identification includes a passport or valid photo driver's license or photo ID issued by New Jersey's or any state's MVC or DMV. Again, you will also be required to pay the fee of $42.80, which includes the $12 vendor fee and sales tax. If you have any questions, you may contact the New Jersey State Police Criminal Information Unit at 609-882-2000, extension 2918, or email ciu@gw.njsp.org. If you also have out-of-state records, you may want to obtain an FBI criminal background report. You can request an FBI identity history record directly on the FBI's website, or you can register with IDEMIA and be fingerprinted at an Identigo's site. You can register for an appointment to be fingerprinted by calling 1-844-321-2101 or online. Online sources of record information. You may also be able to locate some records through online sources. The Promiscuous Criminal Record Database contains detailed information, searchable by name, for indictable convictions in New Jersey. It does not contain juvenile records, disorderly persons offenses, municipal ordinance violations, or arrests that did not lead to conviction. The MCCS contains information searchable by name, complaint, summons or warrant number for municipal cases only. Your dispositions or criminal report should contain the following information about your conviction: the date of your arrest, the statute number and name of the offense, the original indictment, summons, complaint, or docket number, the date of the conviction, or the date when the charges were dismissed if you were found not guilty. This is also called date of disposition, the court's decision, and the specific punishment imposed, if any. You may need to contact the court or the probation division to determine the date your fines were paid or your probation was completed. Once you have a copy of your record, you can complete your application for expungement. We hope you found this video helpful. Watch our other videos about expungement or check out our free interactive program to apply now.